Professor Penuhan, Professor Misra, and Dr. Pandey, and distinguished scholars. I know not from where to begin, but I would like to share you few of my experiences. I have done MSc in Statistics in 1978 from Meerut University. Then I got second position there. I just wanted to point one thing about education, that in UP area, I had 2 students of statistics in Bareilly College in graduation. But when I went for PG, then there were 4 students in MSc statistics at that time there. Then I applied for MPhil in Punjab University. When I went there, I was asked few questions about statistical inference. Professor Dr. Bagai was there and Professor Desh Pandey was there. In fact, what happened on the date of interview, I could not go because in that year, 1978, there was a very heavy rainfall in our area. I belong to Ramli. But even then, I went up after 2 or 3 days of receiving the letter, I went. Then Dr. Bagai said, although you are a good student, but you have scored very less in statistical inference. And by chance, I knew that he was a member of subject committee of Meerut University. I said, sir, where I am at fault? If the subject matter is not well designed. He said, how come you know that I am the member of subject committee? I said, sir, since during that year, for 5 or 6 months, I was lecturer at MM College, Modinagar also. Then I came to know that he was a member of subject committee. This is the position, how the subjects are being taught. And Dr. Pandey and a few other professors aptly remarked. I also remember the professor Dr. K.K. Sharma, who was teaching me. At that point of time, he retired as professor Meerut University, Institute of Advanced Studies, Statistics Department. He had a notebook which was his notes, which he had prepared in 1964. And he was teaching me in 1978. And the position of that notes book was so dilapidated that I once offered that I may be given a chance to copy that and give it to you, since that time was not that much of computer literacy. Anyway, then comes what is the position of the education and the role of education in getting the jobs. Since I got the second position and I taught MM College at that time, I was offered a job in Modi Thread Mills. In Modi Thread Mills, I was interviewed by giving the simple questions. I think those were 30 odd questions, and somehow I could not do very well in that exam because that were simply arithmetical calculations. That is, if one person types 10 words in 1 minute, how much he will type in 2 days? I said we all are doing calculations in facet calculator. That's why there may be some mistakes. Anyway, they gave me the job. Then came the portion. I was put into the costing section. My job was primarily costing of the thread, which was being manufactured at Modi Thread Mills. I said, let me see so many things. They said, prepare the budget. I said, okay, you show me the last year's trends and seasonal things, whatever I had studied, I wanted to put those into the practice. But what they said, there was a manager who told me